Ayun guys, tapos na tayo sa release natin. Hihingi tayo feedback kay Miss Jonah May Silvestre from Baluco, Kapalit, Pampanga. Ang release natin is Triton GLS Automatic, 2-wheel drive.
Ayun, thank you so much Mitsubishi Abad Santos for a very smooth transaction. So ayan, ilang araw lang yung processing time namin. Napakabilis ng transaction dito, and Jonathan Tolentino is very helpful sa amin. Napakalaking tulong niya sa amin, and he is very responsive, and yun, napakabilis nga ng process, kaya kumuha na din kayo dito sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Thank you so much.